how I started the journey to become a freelancer. Fast forward to 2 years, I am in class 12th. I just completed class 12th. Now I am a freelancer making quite a decent amount monthly. And here I'll gonna tell you my whole complete story, that how I began my journey, how I just climbed the ladders, and how I'm sitting at this position to tell you. So just go to the back and start from the beginning. At class 10th, I just wanted the iPad and lots of crazy stuffs in my life, and for that, I need money. And that moment of time, I don't had one. So I just started figuring out that what I can do to make money. For the beginning, I just came up to this fishy apps, like you can make money from just sending this links to others and all this stuffs, which are not so good apps. I hope you have already heard of these kind of apps. I've also lost some of my parents money on these kinds of apps, of gaming apps, where you put up your money and person wins and person lose, this kind of stuff. Then I started researching more and more on internet, that how exactly a person can make money. Then I came to know a concept like learning a skill and doing a work, which we nowadays known as freelancing. That was a beginning. Okay. So I just came up to some of the skills, like how you can make money. The first skill which came to the place was like data entry, which we all know is just waste of time, and today's time it is completely fraud. There are some legitimate things, but yeah, completely fraud stuff. Then I came to know other skills like copywriting, content writing, graphic designing, web designing, development, social media marketing, management, lots of stuff. So I just wandering. There was my interest on coding also, so I thought that let's pick a skill which includes the element of coding, so that I can improve my coding skills and can earn us quite a good decent amount. So I came to a skill basically, which is web development. I started web development, like started coding like HTML, CSS, JS. Started at the beginning coding. It went quite a good, and I was not that progressing in terms of freelancing, because the freelance under this market, if we say, freelancing is not like that other jobs. Like in a job, you have a skill like HTML, CSS, you are a web developer, you develop websites, okay? But if you are a freelancer, you have to work according to the market standards, what businesses want, what your clients want. In job, it doesn't really depends directly on you, but in freelancing it directly depends. Like in freelancing, your website needs to be delivered under a week, because there are lots of competitors who do this stuff. So for that, I need to just to make quicker and quicker stuff. So with the coding stuff, I can't go so that fast. So then I started researching what are the fastest way to just do this. So I just came to WordPress, and then I started doing WordPress. So let's back to the freelancing stuff, like how I grown. For starting, I learned the skill for around a year. I just learned the skills and just develop more and more and more websites to add my portfolio, to show my various clients. But I didn't focus more on the content basis, on growth basis, on money earning basis at the beginning. But I was doing a quite a good work in beginning of my 1 year. So then after 1 year, I created my Instagram, created my YouTube, created LinkedIn and my Twitter, where I started posting some kind of regular content. I know they are not regular, but at that beginning, I started posting regular at them, started posting website links and some website post videos and lots of stuff, so that I can grow and reach. And after posting some of the content, at that moment of time, I started getting more and more clients, and quite a good paying clients. By using that, I also built some connections, which I'll gonna talk about in some other upcoming videos, this because this is not a quite a good time for that. So the main journey of mine started as a freelancer is after when I started creating content. The content is the key important thing which helped me to make my own personal brand into this industry and make myself apart from rest of the other competitors who are there like providing website services. I made myself differentiated from all these people with the help of content. And as a freelancer, it really helps you if you start creating your own content. It will really gonna help you to get more and more clients. Plus, it will also gonna make you more resource worthy, or it will gonna add more and more value inside you, because if you are producing content, you are also consuming good thing. So if you'll follow this path, there's a very good high chances that you're gonna get more and more clients, plus you'll also develop a knowledge also. So that's how began the career. Like for starting 1 year, I just focused on my skill learning stuff, and for the next year I focus on more and more content creation and building connections. And then generously and slowly I started getting quite a good clients, and that's how this whole scenario developed. That's how began, developed myself as a freelancer web developer. You can also check my profile, which is on Instagram and of LinkedIn also. The links are in the description. And if you have any queries related to like how you can start your own journey as a freelancer, if you are facing any kind of issues, you can comment down in the description or you can ask me on the my Instagram also. And if you want any kind of business website or any kind of website for various purposes, you can DM me on my Instagram for with your all your requirements. I'll be there for all your help. So that's it for this video.